Good morning students, welcome back art and craft class. Today we have to do a craft work butterflies, okay? Butterfly by using foam sheet. Okay students, today do a butterfly by using foam sheet. The materials required, first you have to take one normal paper, okay, A4 sheet for draw like this, okay? Then you have to need two foam sheet, okay, this is foam sheet, two foam sheet. I have bought one glitters, one normal. You have to bought two glitters also, no problem, or two normal means also no problem, okay. I have bought one glitters foam sheet and one normal foam sheet. Then we have to need scissors and normal pencil and pen, okay, pen, eraser. Then we have to need glue gun, okay, glue gun, glue stick, okay, glue gun, one glue stick. Okay students, let's start. First you have to draw like this normal paper, okay, normal paper you have to draw like this butterflies, okay, one butterfly you have to draw like this. You have to draw like this one side. First you have to take, fold it like this. Listen student, first you have to fold like this. Take one normal paper and fold equally, okay. Then you have to draw from here. Draw a butterfly head and you have to draw a body like this. Then you have to draw like this, okay. Then center you have to draw like this. Here also you have to draw like this. Now you have to draw overwrite, okay, you have to overwrite like this. You have to draw very darkly. You have to draw like this very dark. Then you have to fold it like this. Any one you have to take and you have to do like this, okay. Wherever you have to draw, here do like this. Then here same you go to the stencil. Here the picture shadow will come here. Then you have to draw like this over, right? Okay. It is very simple. You have to draw like this. Okay students, same you have to do. Otherwise you have to draw here one size and here come another size will come. You have to draw symmetrically, means you have to follow this method. Draw one side of the part and you have to fold it like this and scratch like this. Then you have to draw over. Okay, same I have drawn here butterflies, so same you have to do. And now you have to take the foam sheet back side. Okay, foam sheet back side you have to same you have to draw the butterfly in foam sheet. Okay, you have to draw the butterfly in foam sheet for outline. Okay, outline you have to draw the butterfly in foam sheet. Then you have to cut it here, 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 here. Don't want. Okay, same you have to draw here one. Same you have to draw here one. Here the inside don't want cut. Okay, here the inside don't want cut. Here the outside only you have to cut. Glitter sheet you have to cut inside. Now you have to start to cut. I have cutted I have cut red color foam sheet. Then I have cut it for white color glitters foam sheet. If you have cutter, means you have to cut it inside like this. Okay, you have to cut it like this, then fold like this one. Okay, you have to fold like this. The glitter sheet you have to fold like this. Then here the red color we have to cut to okay. Another one you have to cut it. Now you have to stick it. This one. Here you have to stick it this toe. Now you have to take glue gun and apply some gum. then center you have to apply glue. Just to stick it this. Okay, students. Same you have to do in your home. If you have beads means you have to stick it here. 3 beads or 2 beads you have to stick it here. Okay, students. Do same you have to in your home and take a photocopy and send it via Google Classroom to me. You have to do and stick it to a wall, big size and small size and very small size like this. You have to stick it in a wall means it will look like very nice. Okay, students, you have to use 2 glitter seeds means 2 glitters foam seeds means it will look like very nice. Okay, I have used 1 glitters and 1 normal, but you have to use 2 glitters means very nice. So you have to do in your home and take a photocopy, send it via Google Classroom, students. Okay, students, thank you.